case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 2016, the Supreme Court ruled on an intriguing case titled Zubik vs. Burwell, a case centralizing around the complex clash between nonprofit organizations and mandatory contraceptive coverage stipulated by health laws. Stemming from religious grounds, these organizations disputed the requirement to cover certain contraceptives under their health plans, claiming it infringed upon their beliefs. The crux of the matter lay in the dispute that these laws, regardless of serving a compelling government interest, were too restrictive, ultimately depriving the organizations of their religious freedom. The court asked if an alternative could be found that did not require a formal declaration of objection from the organizations, while still ensuring contraceptive coverage. Surprisingly, both parties agreed to the possibility, paving the way for a rethink on its execution. Following the agreement, the case was sent back to the lower courts to formulate a revised approach that would respect the religious freedom of the organizations, while not compromising on the comprehensive health coverage for women. The key focus was to evaluate if the provision of contraceptive coverage could be seamlessly facilitated without requiring any objection letters from the petitioners. The Supreme Court further underscored the necessity to maintain a steady provision of all the seamless preventive care coverage currently guaranteed under the Affordable Care Act. To implement standalone contraceptive-only coverage could potentially leave countless women in an uncertain limbo. Participating parties were, therefore, given the opportunity to reconsider their arguments in lower courts, who would then have the autonomy to align or dispute the perspective of the Supreme Court. The path towards a resolution proved to be a balancing act, respecting religious freedom while ensuring women's rights to full health coverage. The conclusion of the Zubik v. Burwell case remains to be penned, thereby marking another intriguing chapter in the history of American jurisprudence.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit LSD.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.